Hello and welcome to one and all. So today I have selected some problems from the unitary method and chapter ratio and proportion. And in my last videos I have told you that if you have confusions for doing your problem, you always have to compare your problems one by one and study. So for that I have selected a problem which is quite confusing and I will show you the step-by-step tutorial how to do it easily. Our first problem is cost of 5 kilogram of wheat is 91.50 rupees, that is 50 paise. Find the cost of 8 kg of wheat, and the second part is what quantity you can purchase for rupees 183. So let's frame our first sentence. That is, in first sentence we have got 5 kilogram of wheat is rupees 91.50. That is cost of what? 5 kg of wheat, right? That is 91.50 paise. Okay, and then what you have to find in the first part, the cost of 8 kg of wheat. So always when you have to find the cost of 8 kilogram of wheat, what you have to find first, unitary method, you have to find the cost of 1 kg of wheat. So definitely we will get the answer of 1 kg of wheat from our first sentence, right? So cost of 1 kg of wheat. What is that? It's 91.50 rupees divided by 5, right? What do you get it? Let's go for the division. That is 91.50 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. You get 4 as balance. Take this one down. So what you get? 5 8s are 40 again, and then you get your balance one. So you have a decimal here. Go put the decimal. Take this 5 down. You get again 5 3s are 15, right? So 0. Now you put the 0 here. So what is that? 18.30 rupees. That's the price of what? 1 kg of wheat. Always you have to keep in mind what you have to find here. 1 kg of wheat. So in the denominator you should always get kilograms. Okay, you are going to divide this 5 kg. Okay, from that you are going to get this 1 kg. So make sure that in the denominator you always go for the what is being asked. What you are going to find for 1 kg, that should be in the denominator. So that's a easy way to do that. Okay, now what is being asked? Find the cost of 8 kg of wheat. So cost of 8 kg of wheat. How can you find that? Simple, right? That is 18.30 rupees into what? 8. So what is that? I hope everyone knows multiplication. That is 18.30 into 8 is 146.4 what? Rupees. Okay. So now the second part. What quantity you can purchase for rupees 183? So for that, how can you frame your first sentence? You want to know how much quantity of weight you can purchase for 183 rupee. So you want to find how much for one quantity, right? So from where we can get that? That is quantity of wheat purchased for 91.50 rupees is what? 5 kg. So what you want to find for one quantity of wheat purchased for what? 1 rupees. You have to find, right? That is one quantity. 1 rupees. That is what? How you get it? 5 by 91.50, right? What you have to find? You have to find for 1 rupees, right? So in your denominator, you should be always getting what you have to find, that is 1 rupee. So you have to write 91.50 rupees. So but here what was the difference? Here you want to find 1 kg of wheat. So in the denominator, what you should be writing? That is 5 kg of wheat. That is the quantity of the wheat. You have to find the quantity of 1 kg. So in the denominator, you should be always having what? The quantity, what you have to find for 1. So same is happening here. That is, you have to find the quantity of purchase for 1 rupee. So in your denominator, you should be getting for what is having, that is rupees. Okay, what you have to purchase for 1 rupees, that should be in your denominator. So that is a tip you have to remember when you get confused. Okay, now see, this division is somewhat difficult. So what is our next step? That is, what quantity you can purchase for 183 rupees. So quantity purchased for 183 rupees is what? How can you do that? So you get for 1 rupees, you get this answer for 1 rupees. Now what? 5 divided by 19.50 into what? What you have to find? That is 183 rupees. 10 kg. So I don't want to waste your time solving this multiplication and division. Okay, now we got the answer. That is, what quantity you purchase for 183 rupees is 10 kg. So there is also an easy method how to solve this one. That is, now what quantity you can purchase for 183 rupees, right? So we want to the quantity. What is our question? That is 183 rupees. Now what do you have with you? You have the cost of 1 kg of wheat. That is what? 18.3. So definitely you will getting the quantity what you can purchase with this 183, right? That is 183 rupees is being asked in your question, and you have the 1 kg of the cost of 1 kg of wheat. So what? You can find the value, how much is the quantity, right? So in order to remove this decimal, multiply with 10. So what you will be getting? 1830 divided by 183. So what is the answer? 10 kg. So this is very simple than the first method, right? So this is how you always have to compare your problems and study. That's all. And if you have any doubts regarding this particular question, please comment down below.